What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the fan noise or the noise in the back. I have the fan running because it is still hot out here out in Irvine. It's like 80 plus still. And of course this garage has no ventilation. Mine is having the two garages or the garage doors up slightly. Huge update video and showing you guys all these things that I got for the TSX. Well, one is, here you guys can see, is the TSX itself. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I did a little bit of work on the car off camera just so I could get some things done and out of the way. But I actually did pull off my Mugen visors and I wrapped all the chrome trim with black vinyl. So this is all wrap. On this side, this is all 3M wrap. I recommend using 3M wrap because on all the cheap vinyl that you can buy on Amazon or eBay, they don't really stretch or just like easy to bond to like material, like surfaces. So this is all 3M. This side came out really good. Other side I have to redo because I ran out of 3M vinyl, and this is kind of like, I wrapped this side too. I didn't do this because the vinyl that came, and I thought I bought 3M, but I didn't buy 3M, I guess. On Amazon, this vinyl isn't as good as 3M because you can see like there's some patches I had to do just because the vinyl wouldn't like flex as much or stretch versus using 3M. 3M is all one piece. And you can buy this on Amazon all day long. Literally like, let's search up chrome delete vinyl or just gloss black vinyl on 3M. And all I bought was 2 inches by 25 feet. But for this car, or just in general, I thought 25 feet was enough, but I have to buy 50 feet because this side, and I was only able to do one upper trim on the other side just with 25 feet. So if you guys do buy it, get the 50 feet and you can do the whole car. I did the door handles too, super easy. All I did was get a sharp X-Acto knife, just, you know, trim around. On the door, when you're doing the door pillars and stuff, you can literally legit could just pull off the rubber seals. But besides that, super solid, looks so much better with the chrome delete. Now the main thing I needed to get rid of is the front grille. I'm just waiting till a grill pops up for a good deal. I'm not in a rush because these cars, it is a little bit easier to find parts versus like an EK, but it is very scarce still for these cars to find parts. 2, I actually picked up a Workbench. So excuse the mess. I'm still kind of sorting things out, but this is what it looks like as of right now. This is actually from Harbor Freight. You can actually buy this for $90, and it comes with a pegboard. The only thing I had to do was buy all these little hooks, and that was literally like 15 bucks in Amazon for like 200 or 150 pieces. And I just got random hooks. I just hung the wrenches and just put small things here and there. I had my Godspeed camera kits hanging right here, but I actually sold them to my friend Kevin, so I pulled them off. And bam, all this. Nothing fancy, but still, like, I don't have any tools. I don't really have any like little socket organizers and stuff. This is all from my toolbox down there, but this holds up everything perfectly fine. And I actually went back to San Diego last weekend, and I'm so grateful that I picked up my power tools. And this is a cheap drill I bought at the other apartment, but it still works perfectly fine. And yeah, so I brought my power tools up here. I have more, but I just left the rest down in San Diego just for like my parents or my brother to use, or my dad, I mean, and my brother. But this is my 3/8 impact, and the best tool ever, the impact ratchet. Lifesaver for so many things. And you can see there's nothing really in here. Oh, this is the vinyl right here. So this is not 3M. This is like Vivid. This is 3 inches. I use this one for the side pillars. And then this is the one that came in, but you can see it's not labeled, it's not 3M. And this is the one that I did the driver's side with. And it doesn't work as well, so that's why it is sitting here. I ordered 3M, but I'm just waiting for it to arrive. And then up here, the small thing, got some high racing stuff I need to put on. Got the oil cap and the dipstick down there, of course. And then, you know, just random stuff. I found this, so If you guys are watching my videos back then, this is actually from my B16 that I put into my hatch when I got it from the junkyard out in Florida and got it shipped over on a pallet to Cali. But this came off with my motor because I had the spoon one and I just never used this. So this is pretty much, I don't know, this guy here. Extensions, wrenches, vice grip, and then I just have spacers here, which I don't even need. I just have here to fill in. And then a brand new serpentine belt that I actually got an extra for my white TSX, but might just swap it in there. Up here just has stuff. And you guys can see, here are the Mugen visors that I took off. This is the fronts. The rears are actually over there, and I was able to source a very, very clean wiper cowl for the TSX. Because if you guys know, my wiper cowl is faded, so faded. And it just doesn't look good. And of course it's cracked, because the hood flew up. But this is a driver's side, and then here is passenger side. Super clean. I got this for super cheap. I got it for $40 shipped on eBay, and you can't buy these new anymore from Acura or Honda in general. These are discontinued, so I found these on eBay. I guess some dude just took off his car from the junkyard, but they're really clean. This has a little dirt here and there, but I'll clean that all up later. And it did come with a new seal too, which goes, I think right here. No, right here. It goes right here. I went to the junkyard the other day and I picked up hood hinges. Yeah, these were 10 bucks a piece at the junkyard. On eBay, they go for like $150 for a pair, or 70 bucks each, because Honda sells them for like 80, 90 bucks. But this is from the junkyard, perfectly fine. Only thing is you can see that this is kinked, just like kind of this one, you can see it. And the only reason why it's like this is because I guess at the junkyard, someone decided to open the hood up all the way and just lean on the window, and then it bent that little tab. But on the photo on the website when the car arrived, the hood was completely flush, nothing was wrong with it. It just someone decided to work on the engine and put it up and pushed it further back, and it bent the bracket. But at least it's not like to this extent, because this flew out while driving. That's a lot more, you know, force to the brackets, or the hood, or the hinges, I mean. But that's good. Now, toolbox. Okay, third thing, as you guys can see, my paint is trash, especially all of the flat surfaces. So trunk, roof, and hood. Now, when I bought this car, I knew for a fact that the paint was kind of, well, fixable, of course. That's why I polished the whole car. Now the car looks so much better, minus hood, roof, and whatever, right? Roof, you can easily just pay someone like $200-300 bucks to respray it, or I'll just go spend like $30 on vinyl material and just wrap it gloss black or matte black, whatever. Hood, got one here, but not sure if I'm gonna use it. Either I just get a carbon hood, and then trunk, just gotta wait for someone to par out their trunk and find a trunk. But the roof, I got vinyl for. So my vinyl came in. This is 3M gloss black. It literally came in today. I would open it and show you guys, but I have one hand. But this is, I got 4 feet by 5 feet, so like 2 yards. I forgot how many in yards. But this is gloss black vinyl for the roof, so this whole roof's gonna be wrapped. When I wrap it, I'll make a video. I do need to sand the roof down though, because the adhesive will not stick, or the vinyl will not stick, just because of how rough the surface is, and I need it to be smooth. I'm gonna open the vinyl all the way, of course. Not the vinyl, I mean, I'm gonna open the sunroof all the way, and then once I finish wrapping the top, I'm gonna cut it out, you know, tuck it in, and then put the sunroof back open. But I got vinyl, so we're ready to move on that. I still need a new fender, but waiting for one to pop up. Last thing, I was not really expecting to find, but it's in my backseat of my car that I actually just picked up today. What do you know? It's another trunk. And it's a Euro R trunk, but I mean, it's just the Acura TSX trunk with Honda Accord Euro R badges. But this is actually, I picked up from an importer, and it's the same color as my car. So let me pull this out real quick. It's another trunk. But let me put this down real quick, show you guys. Okay, one is just another trunk. Two is you can see dents. Right? Now, my current trunk has dents in it too, but it's a lot more lower, as in it's down here. I don't know why so many of these trunks get dented, but down here, right? All of this right here, since it's not like the dents aren't as low, it doesn't really matter. I'll just get like a wing or something and it'll cover it. But the cool thing is, bam, the paint is not cancered out, right? But there's a lot of like, looks like swirls and water spots, I guess from it sitting outside. But I could just polish it out, it'd be totally fine. Hi, Mail. So it'd be totally fine, I'll just polish it out. And the cool thing is that this already comes with like the badges, so the Honda Accord. The UR badge, I might take it off unless I run the UR grill, I'm not sure. But if I run a Mugen grill, then I won't leave the UR there. You okay, buddy? But also like, look, it's like not really sticking. Only the R is stuck on. This is just not. I could just put some glue, but I'll probably just take it off. H badge, UR Accord, cool. And the paint. That's the huge difference because this thing is, yeah, definitely not it, right? So, boom. Now if you think about it, trunk paint is fixed. Roof is about to get wrapped, so the roof paint is fixed for now, right? But the vinyl will fix it. Hood is the last piece to kind of make all the paint look better, right? Or the whole car look better in general. So I got hood hinges down there, right? Got this hood. Only thing is, this thing is missing quick latches. So either I get quick latches and run this again, but you know, it has some damages here and there, or I just get a carbon hood, OEM style carbon hood, or just decide to ball out, save up some money and get like something imported from Japan, or just something JDM, right? Slowly but surely, and I cannot wait to slap the trunk, wrap the roof, and then I think even just in general, just the roof wrap black, because this is like the biggest thing that you see, right? So once I get this wrap black, the car will look so much better. It already looks better without the window visors and the black trim. And also the car looks more sleeker too, wrapping it. Or without the visors. The TSX body lines flow so much better without the visors. And I'm not sure if it's because like the Mugen ones, they have like these cutouts, right? Versus if you get like the OEM window visors, the one that are flat, I think those will probably flow better with this car overall. But damn, this car is slowly changing and just, you know, slowly making it better. It does suck because, you know, I kind of have to get more things, but somebody reached out to me and they said that they have door panels for me. I pretty much have 4 door panels in lock, and also he has UR rear seats. I don't have them right now, but we're probably gonna go pick them up. I don't know when, but it's giving me a good deal on them, so I really appreciate it. But there's a lot coming to this car, and I haven't even touched the engine bay. But the engine bay is gonna be mostly stock. It's gonna be like cosmetic stuff. Check those out. Oh, that's the last thing. Oh, sorry, did you want to go inside? Sorry. Anyways, the last thing, I brought it back. So I got my plates from the hatch, transferred onto the TSX because this is the new build, and I was gonna transfer to my white one, but I wasn't really building that car, and I wanted to transfer the plates to a car that I was actually gonna build and have fun with, right? And enjoy building, and this is it. So TSX, but coming out a lot better than I thought. Like I didn't know I was even gonna like decide to like go on my way and paint, correct the paint and all that. Hey Mayo. It's kind of hot in here. Why are you in here? But alright guys, that's just a quick update. Stay tuned for next videos. I don't know what I'm gonna put on next, but peace out guys. On sellers, just keep building. Also, if you guys haven't seen this in my background, these are Mugen side skirts for the TSX CO7, CO9, authentic ones, but these are not mine. These are from our buddy that's coming out from Oakland. Actually, today as I filmed this to pick this up. But, yep, these are not mine, but you guys ever see Mugen side skirts for a CO7, CO9? Here they are. And, yep, they're real.